So today I'm going to show you how I did this look, as well as, for the most part, just reviewing the item in the NYX Advent Calendar today, which today was this little guy. I'll show you how I used on my eyes and my lips, and yeah. And today we got this little guy, which is a soft matte metallic lip cream. I've only tried the normal soft matte lip creams, and let's just say, like, I usually only wear matte lipstick. I don't wear glittery stuff or metallic stuff usually, but this does seem really cute. So it's like a light pink with gold. This reminds me of what is it? The Sugar Pill liquid lipstick. That's pink, and then you rub it and it's got gold glare. And I totally know the name of it because I love it. Anyways, I don't have it, but I really want it. It's not quite the same. It's much more like completely metallic than glittery, but so I'm gonna try it on my lid and hopefully it works. And I'll try it on my lips. So I'm gonna just put a little bit of it on my hand. And then grab just a little flat brush and pick up some product and just gonna kind of do that because I have hooded eyes, so I'll want to put it like there as my lid, but if I do that it'll just end up creasing up top, so I just want to put it everywhere it'll end up. I think that's cute. I'm just gonna touch up the inner corner. I'll explain all the products I used at the end, so that if you're only interested in seeing how this product works, then you can just see that and then not watch the rest of the video. And if you're interested in seeing, you know, the whole look, then you can see that too. Okay, so I'm gonna try it on my lips now. Let's see how this goes. It almost comes off, like it almost swatches a little sheer. So, we'll see. Like, the color itself is pretty. As a lip shade, I don't know. Like, I like how it is in my eyes, like a pretty champagne gold. I also just don't wear metallic lips, so there's that. I don't know. I also, like, am thinking too, like, this is paler than what I'd normally wear on my lips, and I'm white as a ghost, and in an advent calendar that's trying to, like, appeal to everyone, you know, lip shades, you probably don't want to put anything too light, because this would very quickly get way too light for anyone darker skin than me. Not to say you can't wear shades if you have darker skin, but that just, it usually doesn't look good, you know, it washes you out. It's not, but whatever, but you know what I mean. I can feel that it's like I can wipe it off, but I can feel that it's like sitting really well on my lips. Like it has the same feel as the matte versions of the soft matte lip cream, yeah, while still being metallic. So that's nice. I feel like it would stay really well. I'm gonna take this off and do a different lipstick and use this as like a highlight and see how that works. Okay, so this is just the Tarte lip paint in Birthday Suit. It's just a little birthday sample that you got at Sephora last year. So it kind of matches the same pink that this is. And let's try, I don't know. I like it better like that for sure. Like as a little accent to it versus like a fully metallic lip. Like it does a good job at, you know, highlighting your lip, maybe making it look a little bigger, still adding a little glam without being too much. I'm gonna just put on some mascara, come say hi at the end, and yeah. Alright, so I'm back. I'm just gonna go over all the products I used in case you're interested. You know, this little guy for the eyeshadow, I went back into my Modern Renaissance palette, as well as just a couple neutral shades in the NYX Happy Birthday palette. For highlight, I have the Kat Von D Gold Skool Little Crush. It's the limited edition one, so I don't know if you can get it anymore. You can't really see it at all, but I thought a gold highlight would go well with this kind of like gold shimmer that's in the lipstick. For mascara, I'm using the Milk Makeup Kush Mascara, which I swear looks better on everyone else than me. I don't know how to get it to work properly. There's so much product on it, and I feel like I just got one that they pumped a little bit too much into. And then, yeah, my base will probably be the same every day. NYX Can't Stop, Won't Stop in the shade Light Ivory, the Rimmel Stay Matte Powder in Transparent, and the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the shade Ivory. I think that's it, except for my eyebrows, which is the e.l.f. It's not just called pomade, it's the Lock On Liner and Brow Cream in espresso. It's just a little jelly pomade. And I think that's it. I hope you guys are having a good December so far. It's 2 days in, so who knows. I'm excited to see what more there is tomorrow. I'm pretty sure there's some eyeshadows in some of them, so I'm excited to see those. And also looking forward to like any weird shades like grays or blues or something for like lips. And yeah. Alright, thanks for watching. Bye!